Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now let me start with a confession, guys. The first $1,000 that I ever made online didn't actually come from thousands of subscribers. No, it didn't come from a viral video, and it didn't come from a big audience. It came when I had just few subscribers. Yes, just few. And also the first dollar still under few subscribers, and that first $1,000 also still under few subscribers as well. You understand? Sometimes ago I remember sitting on alone, staring at my phone, and I'm like, wait, oh girl, you mean to tell me that I don't need to be popular to make real money online? And that is when my entire mindset changed. Because if I've waited to have that 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 subscribers before trying to earn online, I will still be broke today. But the truth is, you don't need subscribers for you to earn money online. You need the right strategies, the right system. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how people with small channels, sometimes no channel at all, are earning $1, $2, 5,000, 1,000, and also above, without them depending on subscribers. So if you've been delaying your income, waiting for your channel to grow, please, you need to believe that you can make a massive audience to earn. And this video is going to free you today. Let's dive in, guys. So this is what you actually need. Okay, now let's be clear up first. You don't need subscribers, you don't need a follower, you don't need that big audience, you don't need to show your face, you don't need a perfect channel to be an expert, you don't need to be a full-time content creator. Here is what you need for you to be able to excel in this. You just need a skill, a digital product, a service, and an affiliate offer, a problem you can solve. You need a system to deliver your value, and also a clear message. And lastly, you need consistency in posting or promoting. It is not the audience size that pays you, it is the value that you provide and the system you build around it. Okay, so this is the biggest shift beginner must understand. Once you understand this, everything becomes very easy. Do you understand? Now, another thing you should also know is why you need to sell a simple digital product for you to be able to break through on this. This is the fastest way for you to earn online, even with your 0 subscribers. All you need is people with 10 subscribers, 30, and 100. You understand? They are making a lot of dollars monthly just by selling planners, journal templates, and so on. You understand? So this can actually work without subscribers. People search for this product. You understand? You don't need them to follow you. They come looking for what you sell. And a product has demand. If it has demand, usefulness, aesthetics, appeal, SEO, and cleanage, subscribers are irrelevant. Value is everything that you need. Do you understand? So also you need to offer services to people. This is the simplest and most consistent dollar earning method. You don't need subscribers, you only need one thing. You need someone who needs help. And you can offer services like editing, graphics, thumbnail design, virtual assistants, managing people's social media, generating voiceovers for people, and all of that. And you can get clients in a lot of places, in a lot of social media handles. You understand? Even with your 0 subscribers, clients will still hire you because they need your services. And also you can actually do it. You are available and you show your proof even with small samples. You understand? So one client is worth more than 1,000 subscribers. And let me say that again. One paying client is more valuable than that 1,000 subscribers. Okay, now number 4 thing that you also need to do is to go into affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing is how many small creators earn. You understand? How much they earn. You can earn money by recommending apps, tools, digital products, even with your 0 subscribers, because people need followers you buy. You understand? They just need the recommendation, solution, review, tutorial, comparison, and a lot of things. So you can promote that affiliate links through your YouTube shorts, your TikTok, your WhatsApp, email list, and a lot of that. You understand? They need all these things for them to pull through. Okay, so go ahead and start. You also need your YouTube without AdSense. Okay, YouTube is not it's not only on ad platform. You can earn money from YouTube when you sell some of these digital products. Even before you monetize, small channel make thousands because people search for the solution or they provide value, they take action. You understand? And at the end you earn. So you don't need to take it for granted. All you need to be just to be consistent in it. So if you're waiting for that subscriber before you can start earning, you are delaying your own breakthrough. Trust me, subscriber don't pay your bills. Views pays your bills. You understand? Likes also pays your views. So let's continue to creating, and see you guys in my next video.